Good afternoon, DHS. I'm Josh Holland.
And I'm Logan Jackson.
Tennis practice has been canceled today on account of Logan Jackson not being able to attend,
The One Act Play Clinic in Tyler, Texas has also been canceled due to the softball game.
which has also been canceled.
And baseball's been canceled too.
Now we go to Adam English with the reasons behind these cancellations. Adam?
It's gonna snow!
Thank you, Adam. Now for our segment called
This Week in DHS.
If you didn't know, we just had the tax test.
Logan Jackson just got texting.
Yes, I did. Mr. Allen will be visiting the band tomorrow.
Yes. And Room 201 Productions has entered the Los Angeles Film Festival.
And other stuff that you don't know about.
So, what you been up to?
I just turned 17.
Oh, well, happy birthday.
Thank you, Big Tom.
Adam, what you up to?
I'm dancing!
That's great, Adam. Thanks for watching.
And if you would like us to put your news on the air,
Or if you need something that needs to be reported.
just send an email to room201productions_@yahoo.com.
And now we go to Adam English to sign us off. Thanks.